मनी की बात अल्पा के साथ. Asset allocation. Since childhood, we learn maths, important factors such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. At each stage of life, we go through these factors and we very well know how we can apply. But somehow in real life, we forget that. So, what exactly is asset allocation all about? And how these concepts are so relevant in our financial planning? How we eat balanced diet for healthy body, exactly the same way you must maintain proper asset allocation for your wealthy life. There is no simple formula that can find the right asset allocation for every individual. But let me tell you 3 things you must consider when you are designing your asset allocation. First, you should know when do you want your money back. So the liquidity criteria is very important. Second is your age. Your age is very important and relevant when you design your asset allocation. And the third important criteria is your risk taking appetite. Are you moderate, conservative, or aggressive? Depending upon your nature, you should design your perfect asset allocation. And the simple formula which you should follow is 100 minus age. So if you are 30 years old and if you have to invest 100 rupees, then 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. 70% of your investable corpus should go in your wealth creation basket, that too mainly in equity and mutual funds for your medium to long term goals. And the other 30% of your investable corpus can go for your emergency fund requirement or your tax planning, protection planning, etc. So this is how you must design your asset allocation perfectly. So what are the different types of asset allocation strategies? There are 6 different types of asset allocation strategies, and let us learn about them. First strategy is strategic asset allocation. This method establishes and adheres to the base policy mix, a proportional combination of asset-based expected rates of return for each asset class. It's based on that. And you also need to take your risk tolerance and investment time frame into account. You can set your targets and then rebalance your portfolio every now and then. Constant weighing asset allocation. There are no hard and fast rules for timing portfolio rebalancing under strategic or constant weighing asset allocation. But a common thumb rule is that the portfolio should be rebalanced to its original value. When any given asset class moves more than 5 to 10% from its original value, you must apply constant weighing asset allocation method. Tactical asset allocation. Tactical asset allocation occasionally engage in short-term tactical deviations from the mix. In capitalize or unusual or unexpected or exceptional investment opportunities. This flexibility adds a market timing component to the portfolio, allowing you to participate in economic conditions more favorable for one asset class than the others. Dynamic asset allocation. Dynamic asset allocation is the strategy you constantly adjust the mix of assets as market rise or fall, and as the economy strengthens and weakens. With this strategy, you sell assets and decide and purchase assets that increase. So this is how dynamic asset allocation gives a lot of freedom to you for adjusting your portfolio. Insured asset allocation. With an insured asset allocation strategy, you establish a base portfolio value under which the portfolio should not be allowed to drop. As long as the portfolio achieves a returns above its base, you exercise active management, relying on analytical research, forecasts, judgment, and experience to decide which securities to buy, hold, and sell with the aim of increasing the portfolio value as much as possible. Integrated asset allocation. With integrated asset allocation, you consider both your economic expectations and your risk in establishing an asset mix. While all the strategies mentioned earlier account for the expectations of future market returns, not all of them account for the investor's risk-taking appetite or the tolerance. That's where integrated asset allocation comes in play. All the views in this video are personal of the author and not attributing to anyone.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family